What it do, what it is, and what's good, YouTube, and welcome back with Beard Talk with Matt. So today we're in for a real treat. We have a game changer alert. Today we talk about the Co-mmand co-wash. Stay tuned. And welcome back. Thanks for staying tuned. So, like I said earlier, we're in for a real treat. Game changer alert! Game changer alert! We're talking about the Co-mmand co-wash from Chesapeake Beard Co. in collaboration with Dan C. Bearded. Shout out Dan. Gary's the owner of Chesapeake, and let me tell you right off the bat, he is one of the most nicest people you will ever meet. I guarantee it. He's hilarious. Have you ever been in his live streams? If not, you need to be. It is the place to be. He's hilarious in there. He cares about his customers, everything. He cares about his customers, the products, how the customer likes the products, how the beards feel from the products. He cares about everything. Any way that his products have anything to do with you or your beard, he cares. Let me tell you that right off the bat. So, I've had this, I want to say a little under 2 weeks, maybe 2 weeks. I've used it every day except for 1 or 2 days. I want to say 2 days. And when I say this is a game changer, this is a game changer for my beard, and I'm sure it will be for yours too. So I've noticed it's a lot softer, especially out of the shower, but throughout the night. And then when I wake up in the morning, I'm noticing that I won't have to put as much balm, butter, or oil at night with this because this is keeping it very hydrated, more hydrated than any other co-wash I have used, and I guarantee that. So also some stuff I noticed that this is a game changer. It also helps with styling. Like when I say styling, I mean it makes your hair and your beard more manageable to style it the way you want, whether you want it down or however you want it, you know what I mean? The curls, I have a beard that's very curly, and I've noticed with this, using it, the curls are more manageable and more easy to move around and glide through with the comb. With this stuff, the comb glides right through it in the morning, the night, whenever. I feel like it lasts, the conditioning lasts most of the day, most of the night. So, we're in an 8-ounce bottle, black bottle, nice pump top. I love that in the shower, you know. I don't gotta have so many things in my hand, opening the top, squeezing it out. Boom, boom, and there you go. So, essential oils in here are driftwood and sea salt. That's a great combination. Let me get into these other oils. And there's a name in here, I hope I don't butcher, so we'll get to that. We got water, of course, aloe vera juice, shea butter, avocado oil, wheat germ oil, and here's the one, silver dihydrin citrate. I'm probably butchered that, but you know what it is. Citric acid, and the essential oil and fragrance blend, which is the sea salt and driftwood. And let me tell you, the scent, it's really fresh. I can definitely get the sea salt. It smells just extremely fresh, and something that if this was in an oil, I'd probably wear it with an oil, to be honest with you. And one thing that I can tell you that this is also what makes it a game changer for me personally. How many of you have had a co-wash or even a beard wash linger on with the scents? Like you're getting out of the shower, you already, you cleaned it out, but you can still smell the co-wash, and it's a strong scent. You go to put oils in, and you can smell the co-wash through the oils, the scent that you put in. Well, I guarantee with this one, that won't happen. This doesn't linger at all. I would say until I put my beard oil in, I can smell the sea salt and the driftwood. Other than that, I don't smell it the rest of the night. And quite frankly, I wouldn't mind smelling it the rest of the night because the scent I truly actually love. So Gary, if you plan on making the oil in this, and I think you're gonna be making a beard wash, I think I heard or read somewhere or someone told me, I'll definitely be getting that because I'm sure that's a game changer as well. So 8-ounce bottle, it's $16.98. That's a great price for an 8-ounce bottle. Just to compare to, let's say Scotch Porter, 8 ounces, 20 bucks. I never used Scotch Porter, but from people that have used this and Scotch Porter, this is number one. So, game changer alert. You need to get this. I know these are selling out like crazy. I know he's taking pre-orders and trying to get who wants to do it and who wants to get this. I'm telling you, you need to get this. No ifs, ands, or buts. Get this game changer. And let me know once you get it if you can feel the difference in your beard, because after 2 days, I was feeling a major difference, and I'm sure you will too. So, as you can see, off the beer topic, I'm decked out in my Red Sox gear. Playoffs start Friday. I'm hoping for the Yankees. So, playoffs Friday. Let's go Sox! This was Matt approved. Thanks for watching the video. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like, comment, and share this video down below. Thanks for all the support. See you next time.